Welcome to the vlog.
What?
Mukbang. Scoot over. Lily, get in the mukbang. Hey guys. So, what about mac and cheese? This isn't even macaroni.
No, it's not.
There's a lot of pepper.
Yeah.
Like, I put
Guys, this is really good.
I want more.
Me too.
Can we go get more?
Yeah. Who would give us more? We don't have one.
I have one.
You have one.
And mine.
Go get more and give me some.
Come with me.
Get me some, please. I can't end the video. That's what it looks like right now. Hey, well, no. Come over here. I feel weird taking out the people's food.
Do yours? Yours? Can I smell yours? Ew, it's still in there. If you put like scissors on your hair, a whole bunch of stuff comes off.
Just a couple issues with this scene. Addison, why are you eating that mac and cheese that was in your hair? You disturb me, and I want you to get away from me. Ew. Also, Lillian, stuff doesn't come off your hair. I think you're just dumb.
You. I think that's just you.
No, it's everyone.
No way.
Do it to your hair. Is there scissors in here? Huh?
Oh, I burped.
What did you say?
Okay, time to test out hers. Trying to test out hers. Ready?
Who?
Yeah, I think there's too much black pepper. More time.
11:52.
I'm mixing it in with my sauces. So, Lily, what's the daily tea?
Emily thinks we're still besties. Well, not besties, but like really close.
Yeah, that's not good.
Take a sip.
Also, my mouth.
You need to edit this into a YouTube video.
And a trip.
Ugh.
Do you want to get on our mukbang?
Oh. We have 5 minutes.
There's some good ass mac and cheese. I'm eating it.
It's really good. Do I have more stuff in my hair? No, I'm good. Trying to eat this fast now. I love what we're taking a big mukbang. I want you to be zooming in on my face. I'm thriving. This mac and cheese isn't like, it's not like manufactured mac and cheese. It's like homemade. So good. You want to know more tea?
Yeah.
Apparently William Flana has been eating more cheese recently.
Yeah. Did she say that? Ew.
You want to know more tea? Mason say something.
He thinks I stole that from him, but I didn't because I'm a fangirl and I know everything.
From what?
She said,
From what? Fangirl.
Jason Webb.
He does that? How do you expect me not to know? I can hardly watch stories anymore because of my phone. The plop was just foul. I just want mine. What's up, Andrew? And then we're doing a mukbang for Addie's phone.
Making a mukbang.
It's a mukbang. I like it.
Ours is too peppery. No.
Your face is too peppery.
Peppery. Exactly.
Oh no! Oh my god!